is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am gonna go ahead and get the ECS exhaust swapped out for the AWE exhaust here sitting in the back, as you can kind of see rattling back there. Hopefully my expectation is what I expected, you know what I mean? Because I don't know how it's gonna sound like, so we'll find out together, I guess. Wish me luck. We're gonna figure this shit out. Right now I have the ECS on, valves closed. It don't sound too bad. My brakes are a little squeaky. But last time with the exhaust, no hate, no shame towards ECS and them, but I need to go with something a little bit different. So this is coming off. The tips that I have on the AWE is also chrome. I don't think it's as big though, the muffler tip, but we'll rock out with it. It won't be touching my damn diffuser like this one is. This one's slightly touching my damn diffuser right now. I guess after like a good 10, 15, 20,000 miles, doesn't look too bad. Got the back off ready, the vacuum lines and everything off. Mufflers just sitting there. So the exhaust is off now, the ECS exhaust. Can auto test pipe. After like 10, 15, 20,000 miles, maybe like 10, I say 10,000 miles, still looking good so far up there. No cracks, no bend. The welds are still looking good. Yeah, overall, can auto test pipes after 10,000 miles. Should be like 15, 20. Still looking good. The welds are all intact. Got a nice color to it now. Alright, have the AWE lined out. Making sure everything goes on properly. ECS just sitting there. Let's go ahead and get the downpipes on first.
Yeah.
Alright, so everything is back on and bolted in. I just gotta go ahead and take this shit off here and then pull it out. The AWE system is on. ECS X brace has been holding up well if anybody's asking. But yeah, time to put everything back together. And we should be good to go. I realized and noticed something when here's the ECS muffler, right? Here's the AWE. It's almost like I can fit the ECS mufflers right in this section right here, and still have the still have the valve option. I don't know. Maybe somebody should try that, or maybe I should try that someday. Because I'll probably have an extra set of mufflers, and I'll just probably throw that on and see that work. I don't know, that could be like a little cool project someday. I don't know what you guys think. Maybe I should try that someday. If I don't really like how it sounds like, I don't know. That would be like another option or so, you know what I mean? All right, moment of truth. Go ahead and start her up. Oh, not too loud on the startup. shit. That sounds crazy. Definitely sounds a lot better outside. I think inside echo is what's giving it a crazy sound, but it sounds a lot deeper. Alright, let me show you guys, or I mean, should I say, let you guys hear how it sounds like from like low RPMs to high RPMs, and I'll do some like takeoffs and stuff like that so you have like a good idea of how the car sounds like. You probably can't rip it right now because I don't have enough space in here. Definitely no more raspiness around 2,000 to 3,000 RPM, because right around there is when I would experience like raspy, loud, obnoxious, which is not happening no more right now. Oh my god. But I mean, it is a little loud, not too bad though. Definitely a lot quieter than the ECS setup with valves open. Let me close the window a little bit. Close the window and see how it sounds like with the windows closed. Close all the windows. Oh my goodness. Damn, that sounds so good. So it's a lot quieter than I thought. Oh man. I think I'm loving this setup right now, guys. I can already imagine. Oh man, that's crazy. That sounds so good. It still has that V6, you know, raspiness, because you can't avoid that, especially having test pipes. Let me open the window, see if we can hear outside. But it's definitely more tame for sure. We'll drive around local and see. right there is when it was always raspy. That's what I hated so much, and it is gone now. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys can hear this right now. Like, it sounds so good. I thought it was gonna be more raspy. I thought it was gonna be a lot louder, but I think it's just perfect, man. I wonder what's the drone like on highway speed and stuff like that. I guess we'll find out here shortly. I guess I can probably take the interstate here and test it out real quick, see what it'll sound like or whatever. See how it'll be like on the interstate. But so far, it seems really, really good to me. Damn, that's not bad. It's not too loud. Wide open throttle. Sounds a little bit louder than the ECS with valves open, if you guys know what I mean. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. all the windows are closed. My exhaust might be rattling back there because, you know, the ECS exhaust sitting back there. There ain't no opening valves option no more, so this is what we got. This is what I'm gonna live with, and it's really not that bad. I really thought it was worse. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys like it. Hopefully this helps somebody out. I think we might have figured it out, guys. It's been a long freaking journey, so I think I'm just gonna live with this and start doing more POVs until I can, you know, figure out another way to make it sound even better or something. But I think this by far sounds the best right now. We shall see. We shall see. The ECS system, like I said, is good. It's just that when you have test pipes, it might not be ideal, but it is bearable and livable because you have the option to close the valves. But if anybody have time or have access to good shops out there that is willing to cut and put your weld exhausts for you together, definitely remove that X pipe and try to put like some resonator on there or like some ultra quiets, and that might help you out. Unfortunately, I didn't have the opportunity to do that. I wanted to do that and then I show you guys how it'll sound like, because I feel like it'll be different. But places around me they're kind of lame, man. Like there's barely any exhaust shop, barely any, you know, performance shop. So that's why I didn't go with the cutting and welding shit together route in the first place, and just went with a livable exhaust system, so that I don't have to keep bringing it in and out of shop and spending almost as much as an exhaust system, you know what I mean? So that's that. But like I said, I'm really happy with the AWE. ECS is still good, you know. Definitely check them out if you are not planning to go test pipes and it's just running regular catalytic converter. Their resonated valve, non-resonated options is really nice. You can make a loud, quiet, you know, interchangeable. There's different pieces you can add in and out to make it louder or quiet, and it don't sound bad when you just have stock catalytic converter without test pipe on an ECS system. But once you go test pipe with ECS system or any other system, it just sounds like shit. You guys know already. I want to give a shout out to Brad and his dad for always you know, letting me use the shop, always getting me in. Brad played a big role in the S4 being where it's at today. You know, things that I can't do to my car, you know, things that requires a lift or somebody who's more skills and knowledgeable. He's always been there for me, able to do things to my car, get me in, taught me a lot of things about cars. Really is a master tech. You guys haven't seen my car here or Brad in a video lately and stuff like that, because I try to do most things myself because I feel like that's more enjoyable for you guys. But things that I can't do, I'll ask him or bring it here to the shop, like exhaust, you know. But yeah, he doesn't really work here full-time anymore. He's doing something else now, but he still works on cars. So whoever lives in Virginia or live nearby, go hit up Draft Auto. Bradley Snyder can work on your BMWs, Audis, or whatever. I just wanted to say thank you to Brad and his dad for always, you know, like I said, for always lending me, helping me out, getting me right, doing things to my car. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Hopefully the exhaust sounds better now. Well, but as you guys can see, it started to rain. But I just need to adjust my muffler tips here. Probably get some longer one because my diffusers stick out too much. And this should look like it's swallowed in there. I'm gonna try to like bring it out some, but I believe I took it out far enough. Yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Like I said, the car has test pipes by Can Auto, and it is now on AWE resonated downpipes and AWE torn catback exhaust. But your boy's out of here. Peace out.